Hi everyone, I am Mike Agrawal and I will be demonstrate you PII document classification solution. So in our solution, we are taking multiple document as a source system and we are using AI model to classify them. Either it is an invoice or bank statement or check, and at last we will show the result in the form of dashboard. So this is the overview of PII document classification. So we are uploading the document, the sample document in our third-party system. That in our case, we are using OneDrive data in the OneDrive. So we are ingesting data from the OneDrive to Oracle ecosystem, and we are uh, integrating AI model to classify those documents. And at last, we are storing the data or result in Oracle database, and we are showing in a dashboard format in the Oracle Apex. So this solution is purely built on Oracle ecosystem. So there is no third party services or any tool involved to build this solution. So let's directly go into our solution. Before going to our solution, this is our source system. So in our case, it is a OneDrive. So we have uploaded some sample document. Some of them are invoices, pay slips, and bank statement and all. Okay. So this is our source system. This is our PII document classification uh, dashboard page. So here we have three buttons and some KPIs and graph and all. So currently it is all zero. So I'm executing right now. Okay, so it will take some time. So while it is executing our backend pipeline, I will give you a brief introduction how this whole pipeline and this whole flow is working. So, firstly, it will ingest our data from the OneDrive folder, which is our third-party source system where our sample documents are reside. So, it can integrate with multiple source system based on the client requirement. Okay, and after the ingesting, it will store those documents in the Oracle object storage. So it will be very secure and flexible storage system. And we have configured the AI model which will classify the document based on their type. So if we talk about the AI model, it will classify the document, it will, and also it will provide a confidence score. So what does it mean? So if a particular document is invoice, then it will provide a score or surety that AI model is predicting a particular document is invoice with a 95% surety. So 95% is a confidence score which is AI model providing. And after that, we are storing that result in our Oracle databases, and on top of that we are building a cool visualization with the help of Oracle Apex. So there is no third party services or tool involved in this solution. To build this solution, we can integrate with multiple third party source system. In our case, we are using OneDrive, and we can configure the AI model based on your requirement. So we have classified the document based on some predefined category, either it is an invoice or pay slips or resume, passports and all. And it can take multiple type of file as well. So currently we are only taking PDF and image format for initial stages. Okay, so yeah, so right now it is completed. So we have different tiles. So we have the number of files. So there are 19 files are there. From those 19 files there are two invoices, two pay slips, and two number of resume and all. And if a particular document not fall in this category, then it will be treated as other document. Okay, and there are some relevant or not relevant documents. So what does it mean? So if a particular document is invoice, let's say invoice, so it is actually a confidential or restricted document. So all the member from the organization don't have permission to view that particular document. Okay, so and if a particular document is a resume, then it is not relevant for the organization, it is actually belonging to a particular employee. So on like there are 19 files. So from those 19 files, 15 are relevant for the organization and 4 are not relevant. Okay. And after that, we have the document details table where we can find the file name, the classification type, either it is a driving license or bank statement and all. The classification, like bank statement is a confidential or restricted, invoices are confidential and all. Either they are relevant for any organization or not, the last modified date, and the user access part. So this user access column will provide the information how many users have access for that particular file. So if I click on the icon, then we can see, okay, this file has access by access of two people, like two people have access this particular file. Okay, so we can have this information as well. Here we have a graph where we are showing that how many types are there, like how many type of file are we using. So there are 12 file which are PDF, and 7 file are in the format of image, either in a JPG or PNG format. Okay, and at last we have this document classification table, sorry, graph, where we have graph where we show that how many are files are driving license, bank statement, check. So we can view this classification on the graph as well. And we can actually schedule this process as well. So we can schedule now. So we have this schedule button as well. So we have to provide the job name, the job type, and hour, minute, and all. So let's say I'll provide a job name, it is maybe uh, execute, and the type, either we can schedule it daily or weekly. So maybe I'll just schedule it a daily. And what time we want to schedule it, so maybe let's suppose at the midnight, or maybe at the night 20. Okay, and at what day, so maybe I'll choose one day. Okay, so we can submit this. After that, it will be scheduled on the Monday. So we can schedule this process uh, based on your requirement as well. So that's all from my side. So this is our PII document classification solution. Thank you.